Welcome to Orocast.
तो आप वही पिक्चर लगाओगे जिसमें आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो. That something that I was doing was not right.
That humbled you that okay, I can handle corporate deadlines.
My son was around 3 years old and I used force feed him, but I think कि थोड़ी ठोकर खाएंगे. अगर मैं एकदम से चिल्लाऊंगी तो मार लोगे. What we see on Instagram is 15 seconds of somebody's life. Everybody.
Well behaved, silent child is always a healthy child.
Myth.
Between tight schedules, comparison, culture, and the constant urge to do more, childhood has become busy. What happens when we let it breathe? Let's find out with Miss Raila Tayyubi. And hi everyone, I'm Jia Badlani. Welcome to Orocast. Shall we begin, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Career shapes you, but motherhood that protects you. What was the one moment that humbled you that okay, I can handle corporate deadlines, but not this tiny human?
So my son was around 3 years old and I used to force feed him while he didn't want to eat. So I used to feel कि खाना तो खाना पड़ेगा. And I used to force feed him. And in that moment, I used to think कि सारा exams, सारा deadlines was very, very easy. But this tiny human, I cannot deal with this because I could feel from inside that something that I was doing was not right with him. So that feeling of guilt was very, very strong at that point of time. And yeah, there have been many moments with my kids, like they're a little older now, where I have felt that I wish I was in a job that would have been easier, but raising them is really difficult.
Okay. And the next question is that parents often say that we are doing this all for your own good. So when we know it's just guidance and not the fear discipline dressed as discipline.
So I personally believe a lot in no punishments, no consequences, no rewards,
Yeah.
because I think all of this is a type of punishment. Consequences are also a fancy term that parents use these days for punishments. But our kids, they learn from the experience, they learn from us, they learn that parents also make mistake. Like when you make a mistake and you tell them about it and when you apologize to them, I think they learn better from these things. And I know what we are doing for our kids. We all think that we are doing better for them. We know better. बट आई थिंक कि थोड़ी ठोकर खाएंगे तो वो भी सीख जाएंगे धीरे धीरे कि कैसे चीज़ों को मैनेज करना है.
Yeah, right. Almost every kid remembers being yelled at. When yelling is not working in the long term, why it's every parent's default setting.
बिकॉज इट्स अ इंटरप्टर. अगर मैं एकदम से चिल्लाऊंगी तो आप भी एकदम से शॉक में आ जाओगे. सो इट ब्रिंग्स द अटेंशन वेरी क्विकली ऑफ द चाइल्ड. सो दैट्स वाई पेरेंट्स यूजुअली येल, क्योंकि बच्चे एक बार में सुनते नहीं हैं. तो पेरेंट्स नो दैट दिस इंटरप्टर विल वर्क. एंड इट इज़ वॉट हैपेंड विद अस ऑल्सो. हम हमारे पेरेंट्स की येलिंग से इतना डरते थे कि काँप जाते थे और जैसा वो बोलते थे वो करते थे. सो इट इज़ आवर डिफ़ॉल्ट रिस्पॉन्स टू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. वी डोंट वांट टू येल, लेकिन हमें पता नहीं है कि हम कैसे डील कर सकते हैं सिचुएशन के साथ. तो वी रिटॉर्ट टू व्हाट वाज हैपेंड विद अस.
Yeah, but why does it not work long term then?
इट डजंट वर्क इन लॉन्ग टर्म बिकॉज द चाइल्ड नोज कि येलिंग के बाद क्या ही हो जाएगा. येलिंग के बाद क्या होगा, हिटिंग होगी. एंड देन द चाइल्ड इज लाइक कितना ही मार लोगे. हमारे टाइम पे भी पेरेंट्स बोलते थे इसको तो जितना भी मार लो इसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. बिकॉज वंस द चाइल्ड अंडरस्टैंड्स कि ओके आई विल डू व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. बिकॉज वी ऑल हैव वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑटोनॉमी. हम सब चाहते हैं अपना फ्री विल प्रोटेक्ट करना और बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा चाहते हैं वो वाली चीज़. तो जब उन्हें समझ में आ जाता है कि जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ वही करूँगा, तो दे स्टॉप लिसनिंग टू इवन आवर येलिंग्स.
Yeah, they do. Yes. And when comparison is in our pockets 24/7, Instagram, relatives, school, everyone is just comparing. How do parents raise emotionally secure kids?
So I think first you'll have to be secure with your own thing. Parents are usually not comparing their kids online these days. We are comparing ourselves with those mothers कि वो कैसे रेज कर रही हैं जो मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. And that frustration comes out of the child usually.
Okay.
So we have to see that are we comparing it with somebody जिसका lifestyle हमसे बहुत अलग है, हमसे circumstances अलग है. We have to see more inside, more of our thing than others. And just remember that what we see on Instagram is just 15 seconds of somebody's life.
It is.
Everybody is struggling with something, but it's just what they want to show. Like if you also take a picture,
Yeah.
अगर ग्रुप पिक्चर भी लिया है तो आप वही पिक्चर लगाओगे जिसमें आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो।
No doubt.
बाकी लोग कैसे भी लग रहे हैं आपको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है। तो वही है कि हम सब अपनी लाइफ़ में अपने आप को दिखाना अच्छा चाहते हैं सबके सामने। That is the same thing that other Instagram influencers are also doing. So we just need to give ourselves that reality check again and again, practice more gratitude for what you have, and I think that will curb down the comparison that you have for your kids also.
Okay. And as a parenting coach, when do you struggle the most to practice what you preach?
So I preach a lot that don't use your phone when your kids are around.
Okay.
But because of some deadlines, because of some important work calls, I have to attend my calls when my kids are around. So now I have made a practice where I tell them specifically, like, "Bacha, I have to take this call. Can you just wait for me?" Instead of them always, barking for my attention,
Yeah.
just I am telling them specifically that I need some time to do my work. So that works a little better, but I wish we could just have different specific hours for working and specific different hours for our kids.
Okay. And in this generation, if the parents got software update, what the new features would be?
I think more emotional regulation for parents, better understanding of their own bodies. Like we can feel in our bodies when anger is rising. So if we start understanding our bodies better, also start taking care of yourself more. Only when we take care of ourselves, then we can take care of our children better. So understanding that self-care is not just a luxury, but it's a necessity. I think that's a upgrade that every parent needs.
Okay. And now we have a fun segment for you. I'll take the questions and you just have to raise one of the myth or fact.
Okay.
This will be quick. Okay. Well behaved, silent child is always a healthy child.
Myth.
Okay. Too much protection can emotionally weaken a child.
Fact.
Strict parents always raise successful kids. Myth. Reward charts are the best way to teach kids. You must let your child fail sometimes. Okay. That was it, man. Thank you so much.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे खूटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके आसमां का शामे आना आज हमें है सजाना क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू धूप है झम से बिखर तू है नदी ओ बेखबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां